Hello everyone, this tutorial is about how to customize template for DPM and BRC mesh. This is the DPM. This is DPM oil being spread on foundation, and the function of this DPM is to prevent rising of water from foundation to the superstructure. This dampness. The function is to prevent the foundation from dampness. And BRC mesh. This is the BRC mesh. It is spread on DPM or on foundation to strengthening the concrete. For example, if a foundation is being filled with laterite, during rainy season, especially at waterside area, and is not compacted during the dry season, it's not compacted with water. When it is rainy season, this laterite will settle if it is not sharp sand, if it is not mild water, maybe clay, this thick. Let me show you type of this soil coming. Yeah, something like this. You didn't compact it with water during the dry season, and when it is rainy season, it will settle and it will affect the concrete. It will make the concrete to crack, and this time when based on the imposing load you moving on it or anything being placed on it, it will result to crack later. But with the BRC mesh and at least the thickness of the slab or the DPC, if it is 100 mm thick, with the BRC mesh, it can still withstand it without any crack, and that's the function of the BRC mesh. So let us first start with the DPM. Just go to template. Both the DPM and BRC mesh, we're going to make use of area tools to take off. Click on area, name it as DPM. Click on advanced. Want to add a property? Just add labs. Labs. Okay. Move it up. Yeah. So now, for this lab, let me show you guys this app. I mean by the lab. Yeah. When you're taking off for DPM, you have to take something into consideration, the labs, because like minimum of maybe 250 or 300 mm, or is it a minimum of 250 mm labs, both vertical and horizontal, or sometimes vertically. So now the labs, that will be area multiplied by 10% of what we get at the total area of what we take off, and multiplied by 10%. You can use 20%, depend on choice. So activate the area, click yes. What I'm going to do now is that add labs to it. It's also in square meter. It's also in square meter. So we go to layout and check all this So layout, so now you can add maybe this 0.1 is 10% of this area. Click OK. Move it up. Yeah. Minimize this. Let's go to take off. DPM. Click on this. You can change it to 10% or you can change it to 20%, anyone you like. click OK. Make sure that the record mode is at point to point mode. Start from this point. Yeah. 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 Yes. Okay, can press escape. Can show the legend. The label, sorry. Depends 493.64 square meter. So just customize the template. Like I said earlier, both DPM and their image will cover the same area, just like a copy and paste it, move it up. Can just change it to BRC mesh. Yeah, you can change the percentage to 20% or any percentage you like. Click OK. I need to check something here. Okay, not here. Go to I want to confirm something. Yeah, is our DPM. Can you see the area that you get is 448.7 448.76. So the 10% of it is 44.88. When you add it up, give us 493.64. This is 49 words because it seems that I pronounced another thing. 493.64. Yeah. Yeah, 0.64. Yeah. So if you want to take off for DPM for BRC mesh, what I'm going to do is just that, because the same thing is the same formula, the same way we customize it. We're just going to trace it like we did. We're just going to trace this DPM and to give you the same unit, give you the same area. That is 493.64. This is how to customize template for DPM and BRC mesh. Thanks for watching.